Rascal. You're dumb, you're talking it. Give me this. Give me this.
Welcome, my people. Bless up, everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know before me jumping at me, I beg everybody just like, share, subscribe on the video. And you don't see the video dropping at the beginning, people. Granny, video I can say Granny car, you don't know. Mommy, I take the thing serious though. Very serious. I open the system, mommy, and I ramp with her 3 pints a road, you know. Mommy, well serious. But anyway, people, we're gonna jump in at the video. We're gonna jump in at the blog here. That one here hot. We have a quick update for everybody. And you see what's going right now. Digicel, Flow, Pepsi, KFC, and Red Stripe has pulled their advertising from Zip FM. And people, this is a big news, and this is actually following the interview that Zip did with Ramone Silvera. We did feature a part of the interview yesterday on a vlog that came out. That vlog was about popcorn playing in the snow or so, with Josh singing Silk Bar song. But I'm gonna just drop a little snippet of the interview here, and we're gonna come back and just have a little reason about it, everybody.
I'm bored, but I hope that you don't take it and you don't do the same thing that you did. But I hope that you accept it is our gift from me. Let me just say that, from me, not from Sim, but from me to you. And please use it wisely. Use it wisely. It's a weapon, so use it wisely. It's not to bully passengers, but like as a defense. Like if you work a night and somebody come at you, you get me? Yeah. So that is from myself to you. All right, and thank you so much for stopping by the Z. We appreciate it so much. All right. Respect every time. All right.
People, so I'm gonna feel like, all right, that part of the interview that never necessary. Yeah. Mega said that part they never necessary, because I mean, we'd see the original video where the man rush the people and with a stick, and then we gonna set so and give him a next stick, so that they could come like we actually did alright with it. So we arm him again for what they gonna do about the foolishness. Even though Money Q did level it out and say, we not give the stick for go do none of them something, and this is a gift from me, this is not from Zip or anything like that. It still can come off wrong. You understand? Being it that you're a big telecommunication company such as Zip. Anyway, more interview there, people, where we are going to check out.
Authority and the government now give we a chance. If me never do all of this, I'm gonna look into it now, and I tell we said we can get amnesty, we can't get this or we can't get that.
Okay, so you're saying that the government is looking into giving you guys amnesty?
Right now, up to now, it's to the drawing board right now.
Okay.
So with all of the excitement from Monday until now, I'm gonna give with the amnesty now.
Okay, so all because of what you did?
All because of what I did. And it's not a self-praise or is something good, what have I done. But be honest, we're just sick and we're tired of it and we're fed up of it. Be honest, car.
Alright, my people, so we never drop the whole of the interview because I never see it necessary for drop the whole of it. And I just do also want to give everybody an idea of what really happened, just in case no one saw it, the interview that Zip aired on their IG page and so on. So Zip did release a lot of updates to say that they're not in support of what was said and so on, you know, to protect themselves and so on. But the major companies did still take their stand and do what they did, and that's Digicel, Flow, Pepsi, KFC. I didn't state KFC initially, but KFC and Red Stripe, they all pulled their advertisements, and they said that within the next 30 days it's going to be fully completed. I don't know, people, let me know what y'all think about that. To me, I think it is extreme. Yeah, I think it is extreme based on the nature of the thing. I don't know, what the guy did was serious. A lot of people is affected by it and so on, but I don't know, I just feel like it is extreme for these companies to do this to Zip. You understand? Let me know what y'all think about it. You understand? So my people, this is where I'm going to jump off for the rest of the night. And as you can see, this is not necessarily like good news or so, but it is news. So we're going to roll it out upon the people them. Please, maybe going to continue just like, share, subscribe on my videos, and big up on yourself. Jamaican chat all the way.
Somebody come at you. You get me? Yeah. So that is from myself to you. All right, and thank you so much for stopping by the Z. We appreciate it so much. All right.
Respect every time.
All right.